Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to share this DIY with you. It is a beehive. The supplies you're gonna need for this DIY is 4 packs of these jute twine decorative ropes, some glue sticks, actually a lot of glue sticks, glue gun, black acrylic paint and or a Sharpie, and a flower pot, and all of my supplies came from Dollar Tree, of course. So I start out with my hot glue gun really hot, and then add a dab of glue along the lower edge as close to the bottom as possible because I don't want the pot to show. You want to glue slowly and carefully, not to burn your fingers, but it does happen sometimes, and I think I burned at least 2 times doing this DIY. So take your time. You don't want the glue to get too thick because it will show up on the front of the pot and in between the ropes. And just carefully add the jute around the pot. And when you start your next rows, you will glue closely to the previous row as much as possible. And as you make your way around the pot, take your time to press. The glue will be on top of the previous row and the flower pot. The hot glue can sometimes set up and harden quickly, so keep the area that you are gluing as a small section. And just keep going until you finish the first package, and just add the second package right up against the first piece. You will notice that the jute edges has a teeny piece of tape on it to keep it from fraying. You can remove the tape and then just butt it against the first edge, or leave it on and butt it against the first edge. So now we are at the end of the third package and ready to add the last one. As you can see, there is no top of the pot, so I'll be making it by adding the jute at a bit of an angle onto the previous row as I work my way up. Now be careful because this part is where I actually burned my fingers a couple times. So use very little glue and slowly. Okay, so before I go any further, now I'm going to cut a 8 to 12 inch piece of jute off, and I'm going to make a loop and glue it down to the center of the planter. Put a dab of glue in the center and make like a foot with the bottom of the loop staying in the center. And then keep going Keep adding the jute around the top, making the open smaller so the gap will get smaller as you keep going around. Work your fourth package of jute up around the loop carefully, gluing it along the way, and cut and poke your end into the hole next to the loop. And then next I'm going to cut a 5 to 7 inch piece of jute and make a circle by joining the ends. And then glue the circle to the side of the beehive. Make sure it's not too low or not too high, just somewhere around the middle maybe. And then just go around inside the circle with a Sharpie first. This is what I do. You don't have to. You can just use black paint and just paint the whole circle black. Okay, you guys, we're all done. I found these bee printable from Google. So I cut it out and I'm just gonna glue it around, a few around the beehive. And we are done. I had so much fun doing this DIY and it turned out so cute. I think I'm gonna make a few more in like a smaller version as well, because Dollar Tree do sell those tiny terracotta pots, so I think I'm gonna make those too. I hope you guys like this video. I love this DIY so much. I think so far this is my favorite DIY out of all of my videos, and I'm really excited to share with you guys. Please let me know in the comment down below what you think. I hope you guys will find time to make this DIY because it is so cute. It turned out super adorable. I mean, like I said, I am so proud of this DIY. It's the best one that I've done so far. One of the best anyways. I hope you guys have a good day and I will see you in my next video. Okay, so spoiler alert, my next video is something that complements this beehive so well. So stay tuned. I am so excited to show you guys. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you again. Have a good day. Bye.